Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your shopping list on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your shopping list on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Now, let's take, for example, this item here. If we go ahead and save this item to our shopping list, so we're just going to go ahead and scroll down, and then click on Add to List, and then we're going to click on My Shopping List. Where this list appears is that if you click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says My Target, then scroll down, then click on Lists and Favorites. You can see here we have a shopping list, and this is the items that are currently in our shopping list. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your shopping list on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.